Who led the civil disobedience movement in India? Mahatma Gandhi. Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 mile per second. Who gave the theory of gravity? Isaac Newton. Strongest force in nature is nuclear force. Smallest unit of length is fermimeter. Instrument for measuring the time is called chronometer. Which material is used in solar panel? Silicon. Red is used as an emergency or danger signal because its wavelength is longest. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji. Full form of MLA in Indian politics. Member of Legislative Assembly. National Congress Party or NCP was founded in which year? 1999. In which year India won the Hero Cup cricket? 1993. How many medals India won in 2020 Tokyo Olympics? 7 medals. Which Indian state is Neeraj Chopra from? Haryana. In which year India won the first Olympic medal in women's boxing? 2012 London Olympics. Which Indian hockey player is known as Wizard of Hockey? Dhyan Chand. First Indian woman to qualify for Olympics in athletics? P.T. Usha. Who wrote the book The Malgudi Days and the Guide? R.K. Narayan.